See, and then there goes another one right here, watch. You can see it down over there. It's going, you see it? Right there. Well, there you have it, yo. Look at the big old X in the sky. Awesome, huh? Awesome. You can see a little line going right here like that too as well. So, yeah. Welcome to Minnesota, y'all. See, there's that little plane now. Now it's gonna go past the roof of the Walmart over here. Now it's that low. But, yep, just so you're all aware. And, I don't see nowhere more coming this way or not, but yep, see, it made it past the roof now, or just about. See right there. Great.